So I am on my way to my second audition today. They're both print auditions. And as an actor, I only look at print as a way to make money, and then I don't really do all that well. But then I was looking this year and saw that I've made several $1,000s with print work. So I'm not taking these auditions for granted. So I went on one earlier, and now I'm going to another one. Fortunately, I can wear the same thing for both because of what they're asking for. But I do want to say this as well, that the second one, well, actually it was the first one, it came later in the day yesterday, and I said, you've already got me booked for this other one at the same time. Can I go earlier? So they worked it out, and I went earlier, and I'm going to make the original one on time. And I really want to emphasize to communicate with your agent. It's not like you're blowing them off. It's not like I can't leave work early. It's you're going from one audition to another, and ideally you're going to book both. So ask for what you need. Don't blow off print auditions because they can be a surprising surprise. The other day I got a good check for one, and I got full maintenance on my car that was overdue, and I just feel happy and safe, and it's part of being an actor. Okay, take care.